Hello traders and investors. This is a technical analysis video for Kaspa coin ticker KAS. Now, before I begin the video, I would like to explain the concept of price overlap. What is a price overlap? What you have here in front of you is a market in an uptrend. Okay, you can see an upwards thrust, retracement, second impulse to the upside, second retracement, third, and the third retracement. Now, as you can see, every time the price is retracing, it penetrates the area of the previous impulse to the upside. And this limited amount of retracement is good because it provides support for continuation. How much of an overlap is good? Usually not more than the 0.618 retracement. However, when the price begins to overlap too much, when it retraces too much with the previous impulse, it is a sign of a correction or a consolidation period. Now let's review Kaspa's price action. First retracement, second retracement, and we are in the midst of the third retracement. This second retracement penetrated too much into the area of the previous move to the upside, okay? Because yes, the move up was limited, but the retracement was to the 0.887. Usually, if the price retraces more than the 0.618, it doesn't support continuation, as you can clearly see that the price tried to move to the upside. 1, 2, 3, severe breakdown. Now, currently, Kaspa is in a limited range. It is in an overlap area of the second and the first retracement between 12.5 and 15 cents. Now, this is an area, this is a strong support area. As you can see, let me show you with the fixed range. You can see that the point of control is at 14 cents and it did provide support for Kaspa's price. However, on the other hand, if Kaspa breaks below this area, it will become very difficult to get back again. So the question is, where is Kaspa going to go next? Because the price is moving from imbalance to balance. Where do we have imbalance in the chart? The first area that we have imbalance is above 17.7 cents. You can see that this here is an area of imbalance from 17.7 to 20 cents. The second area of imbalance is this week. Let me show you. And you can see that Kaspa is retracing this imbalance first. Okay, now after it reaches 12.5 cents, where do you think Kaspa is going to go? It will either go to imbalance this to the upside or continue lower. The issue I have with Kaspa at the moment, that Kaspa's price action doesn't move independent from the market. Okay, how do I know that? Just look at the correlation coefficient, okay? A correlation coefficient is a statistical measure. Now, what the correlation coefficient tells us is that the correlation between Kaspa's price action and Bitcoin's price action is at, let's say, 90%, okay? It means that Kaspa is not moving separate from Bitcoin and it is not moving separately from the rest of the market. So, it boils down to my assessment of the whole market because there is nothing separate for Kaspa. Now, my view of the market is that the uptrend for 2024 is pretty much over. Maybe we will get one more relief rally, and after that, we will continue lower. Now, as long as the Bitcoin's downward or downtrend price action is limited to 45K, I have every confidence in Kaspa that it will hold this consolidation area and not go lower than 10 cents. However, even in a relief rally, if Bitcoin now makes a relief rally to 61 or 62K, I can see Kaspa getting above 17.5, which is resistance on Kaspa's price action. And I can see Kaspa, at least not at the moment, going above 17.5. 17.5 from the current price is how much? 17 or 18%. And this is the top limit for Kaspa. If Kaspa does make it to 17.5, I think it will be a great opportunity to sell, not forever, but however, my view is that eventually Kaspa will move lower to the value area low to around 10 cents. So if you have a chance to sell at 17.5 and buy back at 10 cents, it's a great deal. Should you sell your Kaspa now at the current price? No, because Kaspa is in the middle, okay, and the point of control is still holding. So yes, it's very theoretical, but the theoretical chance of Kaspa rebalancing to the upside still exists. And if it will happen, it's a selling opportunity. I don't think it will, but if it does, it's a great opportunity to sell. As far as the possibility of making a higher high in 2024, my view is that Kaspa, together with the rest of the crypto market, will not make new highs in 2024. 2024 will become a consolidation year, and maybe as we get closer to the election at around November, there will be a revival in the crypto market, because the crypto market is, let's be frank, the crypto market is expecting Trump to be elected, and Trump is supposed to be a crypto friendly president. So maybe in November we will get out of this consolidation zone to higher highs. In the meantime, Kaspa, I think, will become limited inside this range, with 17.5 being the top and 10 cent being the final destination. Maybe it will take us a month or a month and a half, but we will get to the 10-cent mark. I am pretty convinced about that. That's all I have for you on Kaspa Coin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.